I guess everybody's outside in the canopy. Okay, if you want to get some really good service, which is rare, right here, any of these games, there's some more modern ones right around the corner, but they do have that one waitress. Sometimes they have two, and they don't have a lot of business in this section, and you can get tore up if that's what you want to do. I'm not telling you should do that, but they're more fun when you do. See, they got the modern games in here. Oh, I keep remembering every time you go down in this little, what do you call it? Sunken living room. You can see they got 3 stairs there. And as soon as you come down here, the temperature changes by 25 degrees. It's 146 degrees. I just checked it. Oh my God. They used to have it all thrown into a big round cubicle. It looked better than it does stacked like that. It'd be hard to steal that, I have to admit. It will not fit in my backpack. When it was loose, I thought I could get maybe a quarter mil in my backpack. And it's not worth doing it now. Probably could only get 10 grand or something. That won't even pay my parking. This is good colors right here. If you like colors, this is where to go. It's an overload. I like this little guy. It's a little Ross Perot guy. Came into another hot pocket. It's about 122 degrees right here where I'm standing. It's better than that 146. Okay, here's tomorrow's menu. $22 for Thanksgiving dinner. Mashed potatoes, turkey gravy, candied yams, green bean, almondine, slam, mamma jamma, pumpkin pie or apple pie. Golly, it just makes me sick to hear it. And I'm the one saying it.
When I took my mother went to Brazil, I have 2 sisters.
Candied yams.
I bet you they.
These front tables, they always have an all-female staff. The old craps dealer pit box is trying to get in on that. We got to step out here to cool down a little bit. All right. It's hot in here. $10. So $2 like they have at Golden Nugget. Well, he's got a lot more than $2 out there. I'm not sure what's going on here. That was a $150 win. Not bad. So that $2, this is beautiful right here. They just added that back screen. It really looks fantastic from across the casino. So that $2 minimum and $2 maximum is not what I thought. I was totally wrong about that. That's not what the table is. It's just the blackjack, some kind of special blackjack, really, really high odds for a blackjack. And they don't want you to bet more than $2. The chance of you getting a blackjack's not all that good, but it must pay a ton. God, it smells so good back here. heard good things about that. Sportsbook, William Hill. Mismatched televisions. It's hard to keep your televisions matched. When one of them goes bad, you go to get another one and it doesn't match what you bought a few years ago. One of them's 5 inches thick and the other one's a ½ inch thick. And they keep changing the width of them. How much they want for this? $3. I have no idea. I can't find it. It's weird how these games... Oh, there's the max up there on the top. $3. $3 for blackjack.
I'll take your 100. 18, 16, 15, 22+.
Voilà.